From extensive drilling to concrete pouring and large-scale earthworks, crews are making massive progress in the Mangamuka Gorge.
It's been a pretty long road, a lot of hard yakka, blood, sweat and tears been put into this. There's so many dynamics throughout the whole job.
It's a complex site, more than 100 people working across multiple slips along this 13-kilometre stretch of State Highway 1.
All critical slips are being worked on currently. I'm so happy and so excited, especially knowing it's gone through the things that it's gone through.
The road first closed after major slips in 2020 and then again in 2022. Last year's severe weather events added even more work to the job. But now the end is near. 3 of the 15 critical slips are done and the others are nearing completion.
We have been really lucky with the weather. We've poured something like 160 metres of capping beam. That's on slips 12 and 13.
It's all needed to stabilise this vital route for the far north. Once done, it will give extra security to those driving through here.
When you're driving up here, you'll be able to see the size of the beam and the anchors in that have been put in, which go in 25, 30 metres into the hill. Gives you security of knowing that holds everything in.
Other jobs like the massive piles are done during the day and at night to help speed up the process.
It's important we perform day works as well as night works. We've got a lot of moving parts, and in order to get the road open as quickly as possible, we're relying on quite a streamlined process.
It means we're on track to open by Christmas.
It's huge, It's really important for the local community to get this road open. They've been so patient.
We thank you for your patience and can't wait to show you the final result.